India's passenger vehicle segment made a comeback in 2021, posting a growth of 27% despite limitations like global chip shortage and the second wave of the COVID-19 pandemic. This demand was majorly driven by SUVs and new models. Interestingly, the passenger vehicle industry surpassed the 30 lakh unit mark for only the third time in history in the last calendar year. Despite several production constraints and delivery backlog, automakers reportedly dispatched 30,82,000 units to dealerships in 2021 as compared to 24,33,000 units in 2020. The country's leading auto manufacturer, Maruti Suzuki, was severely impacted due to semiconductor crunch, and that impacted production and sales in 2021. The car maker still sold 13,65,000 units in 2021. Meanwhile, Hyundai was the second largest contributor to volumes with 5,05,000 units sold last year. Tata Motors contributed over 3,31,000 units in 2021 and had a favorable year too, backed by new product launches. Lastly, new models led the charge for Mahindra & Mahindra in 2021, backed by the success of the Thar and the XUV700. Car makers continue to face production limitations amid supply chain constraints globally. Bajaj Auto reported its sales of over 25 lakh units in the calendar year 2021, recording a 30% increase in exports over the previous year. The company's two-wheeler exports alone stood at 22 lakh units, while three-wheelers and quadricycles added over 3 lakh units. Bajaj Auto says the 125cc plus segment of motorcycles contributed to 41% of two-wheeler volumes, led by the Bajaj Pulsar range of motorcycles, which achieved its highest ever export sales. The Pulsar continues to consolidate its leadership position in key countries across the globe, including Colombia, Mexico, Argentina, Guatemala, Peru, Turkey, Bangladesh, Nepal, and Egypt. Exports of the Bajaj Dominar grew by 49% last year, owing to a strong response to the Dominar 250. The brand has become the leader in the 250 to 400cc sports motorcycle segment in countries like Colombia, Argentina, Mexico, Guatemala, and Turkey with the success of the Dominar 250. The Bajaj Boxer achieved its highest ever export sales and continues to lead the market in Africa with over 40% market share in key countries like Nigeria, Uganda, and Democratic Republic of Congo. Bajaj Auto exports its vehicles to over 70 countries worldwide and has sold over 18 million motorcycles overseas. The FASTag electronic toll collection across national highways and state roads hit an all-time high in December 2021. The government said it collected 3,679 crore rupees via FASTag, which translates to a collection of 119 crore rupees per day. According to the data shared by the National Payments Corporation of India, the toll collection increased by 502 crore rupees in December when compared to November in 2021. It also saw a substantial jump in revenue, increasing by 1,375 crore rupees year on year, as against 2,304 crore rupees in December 2020. Do note that nearly 98% of the toll collection through FASTag accounts comes from the national highways.
We simply love hearing from you. So your comments and feedback are important. Subscribe to our channel, react to this video, and of course, watch our other videos too.